The best form of freedom explored till date is discipline. And if we master discipline, we are completely in charge of ourselves and we can do anything and many things. Today's chapter is relevant to this particular ideology. Chapter 7 Summary: The Secret to Self-Control. Mastering the art of self-discipline for lasting habits. In Chapter 7 of Atomic Habits, titled The Secret to Self-Control, author James Clear explores the importance of self-discipline in creating lasting habits and offers strategies to strengthen our self-control. Clear begins by highlighting the role of self-control in the formation and maintenance of habits. He explains that self-control is not an innate trait, but a skill that can be developed and improved with practice. By cultivating self-discipline, we can overcome immediate gratification and make choices that align with our long-term goals. The author introduces the concept of commitment device, a strategy that helps us reinforce self-control and prevent future lapses. Commitment devices are pre-made decisions or actions that restrict our future choices, making it easier to stick to desired habits. Examples include removing unhealthy snacks from the house or setting up an automatic savings plan. Clear emphasizes the importance of making self-control effortless by designing our environment and routines to support desired behaviors. By removing temptations and distractions, we reduce the need for willpower and make it easier to maintain self-discipline. The author also explores the concept of implementation intentions, which involves predetermining specific actions for challenging situations. By deciding in advance how we will respond to potential obstacles, we increase the likelihood of sticking to our desired habits. Implementation intentions help bypass the need for deliberation and make the desired behavior automatic. Clear dwells into the topic of habit tracking and how it enhances self-discipline. By monitoring our progress and keeping a record of our habits, we increase our awareness and accountability. Tracking also provides a sense of accomplishment and motivates us to control practicing self-control. Furthermore, the author discusses the importance of building a strong identity aligned with our desired habits. By adopting the belief that we are the type of the person who exhibits self-control and follows through on commitments, we strengthen our resolve to act in accordance with our goals. In summary, Chapter 5 of Atomic Habits explores the secret to self-control and its role in creating lasting habits. By understanding that self-control is a skill that can be developed and employing strategies such as commitment devices, environment design, implementation intentions, habit tracking, and identity building, we can enhance our self-discipline and make it easier to stick to desired habits. Through consistent practice and reinforcement, we can master the art of self-control and achieve our long-term goals. So here we come to the end of our chapter summary. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming goals. Let's meet soon in the next video. Good day.